Welcome to Supercar Spotlight, where we shine the light on the world's most exceptional vehicles. Today, we're focusing on the iconic Mercedes-Benz Brabus, a high-performance vehicle that's packed with impressive features and capabilities. The Mercedes-Benz Brabus boasts a sleek and aggressive design, with a distinctive body kit, large wheels, and a unique exhaust system. Its interior is equally impressive, with a luxurious design, premium leather upholstery, and a range of advanced technologies. Under the hood, the Brabus packs a range of advanced powertrains, including a 4.0-liter V8 engine producing over 700 horsepower. With its advanced all-wheel drive system and impressive acceleration, the Brabus is perfect for both track driving and cruising down the highway. The Brabus also features a range of innovative technologies, including an advanced driver assistance system, a massive touchscreen display that controls everything from navigation to climate control, and a unique aerodynamic system that provides exceptional downforce. Whether you're navigating twisty roads or cruising down the highway, the Brabus is the perfect vehicle for any driving situation. With its exceptional design, advanced features, and impressive performance, the Mercedes-Benz Brabus is the ultimate high-performance vehicle. In addition to its impressive performance and features, the Brabus also has a rich history and heritage. As a legendary tuning company, Brabus has been pushing the boundaries of performance and style for decades. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates exceptional vehicles, the Mercedes-Benz Brabus is a must-see. Its combination of performance, style, and innovation make it a truly unique and special vehicle. Join us next time on Supercar Spotlight as we explore more of the world's most exceptional vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. The Mercedes-Benz Brabus is a true marvel of engineering and design, with its impressive performance, advanced features, and luxurious interior making it the ultimate high-performance vehicle. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates exceptional vehicles, the Brabus is a must-see. With its rich history and heritage, the Brabus is a true legend in the world of high-performance vehicles. Its unique design and advanced technologies make it a truly unique and special vehicle. Thanks for joining us on Supercar Spotlight as we take a closer look at the iconic Mercedes-Benz Brabus. We'll see you in the next video.